Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to open Spotify artist account and claim it for beginners. So first things first, you just have to simply go to Spotify for artists. So what is this Spotify for artists? Well, Spotify for Artists is a platform that gives musicians tools to manage their presence on Spotify. Artists can view real-time streaming data, audience insights, and playlisting details. So here you have to choose this artist or manager. You have two options here. Click the first one, and then you need to log in or sign up. So if you have an account, you can continue with your Google, with your Facebook or Apple. But since I don't have an account yet, then I need to sign up first. Once sign up, you have to click this music not yet live on Spotify because this is for beginners. It will take you directly to this. And as you can see here, so getting music on Spotify, you need to simply work with a distributor to get music on Spotify. These distributors meet our highest standards for quality, metadata, and anti-infringement measures. So you have to click this one to see their preferred and recommended distributors, and all you have to do is select one. For example, if you want this for kids, so all you have to do is to visit and sign up. So after signing up with a distributor, for example, this Orchid, you upload or you can now upload your tracks, provide metadata, and they handle getting your music on Spotify for you. As easy as that. So once you have claim an artist, you can go to continue and then search for that specific artist right here, name of the artist, and then proceed. So basically, that's how easy it is to open a Spotify artist account and claim it for beginners. Since Spotify doesn't accept direct uploads, you need distributors to get or help your music on platforms like Spotify. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.